Good morning, everybody. Buddy here from Bert's Garage. I want to give you an update on some progress. We got the convertible, the hardtop back from the glass guy, and I want to spin this around and I'm going to show you what's going on today. So we got the glass back in with the new seal. Of course, this is the inside of it. It's yellow. I got to clean it up a little bit, but that's what I'm working on today. Going to get the quarter glass in and get the seals back on. This is the new seal for the front of the windshield, and then I'm going to put it on the car, and then I'm going to have to repaint it. Got some scratches during the all of the ordeal with getting the glass back in, but the glass turned out okay. I want to clean up a little bit. I've got to put a little seal that goes in this area right here. Has a seal, and I'll do that once I get it apart. I get it together. Also, I'm gonna have to fill in a couple little areas where the didn't have enough trim, and so he did the best he could. But at this point, I'm just going to fill this in with some sort of black gasket cleaner. It'll be fine. And I did get another thing. I did get this is the it's one of my gas tank. Wasn't getting any reading from my fuel tank, and this is the ascending unit, which was in the car, and it's frozen, rusted, and everything. And there's a ring that holds this in. I've been waiting a week for that because I can't start the car. I'll show you where it goes here. I had to take all the fuel out of the car, and waiting for that ring. There's the new one right there, and once I get that ring, which goes on right through here, then I'll be able to put gas back in it and get it to move. So I'm going to pull it outside to put the top on it. And let me see what else I'm doing. I've got some I've got the electrical connectors to connect all the wiring in the front. So I'll have all the connections for that. And I also have tags, South Carolina tags for the machine. So we'll be getting on the road. I'm hoping to have this ready for the Soft Shell Crab Festival down here in Port Royal for the car club. So stand by, and I'll give you an update this afternoon, let you know how the top's going. Thanks. Good morning, everybody. Buddy here from Bert's Garage, back at the MGB today. Couple things. We're still working on the top here. Let me spin this around and show you what I'm up to. I have sealed these. I got to put some more caulking in here to reseal them. Then I've got to make a piece that's going to sit flat across here that will be leveled when I put the top down, and that will be sealed. Also, I have to make something to hold the window trim in right through here, a little an L bracket. So this will go in and will run up just like that. I didn't get any aluminum when I was at Lowe's a few minutes ago. I didn't get the right aluminum, but the glass is in. Got both sides in. Got this in. This is in pretty good. But I've got to have the top. I really want to have the top on the car so I can measure and get the right dimensions, and also make the right template, make a mock-up before I do that. So I'm working on putting the new. There were chrome latches right here, and the chrome was coming off, and I don't have time to mess with it right now, so I'm just painting them black down here. I am still waiting for my ring for my gas tank. I cannot put gas in the car and finish anything else until then. They gave me a tracking number, but United Parcel Service, if anyone's had to deal with them lately, they are terrible. They don't track things. You don't know when you're going to get something, if you're going to get it at all. So that's where we stand today. But still piddling away. I got my electrical connections to do my wiring. Just trying to get the thing started and get it running, and it's holding me up. Thanks for joining me today, and if I get something accomplished today, I will keep you updated. Thank you. Good afternoon, buddy here at Bert's Garage. Want to give you an update on what's happening with the MGB. Running, finally got the ring for the gasket, for the gas tank, and I'll turn it around and show it to you. Car's running great. Everything's looking good on the inside. Fuel gauge working, temperature gauge working, all the gauges are working. Most of the lights are working. I still got the side markers in the front. The back ones are working that I have to get working. But you can look up in here. Let me get a light. But car cranked right up, charging. Just got to work on the lights a little bit. A couple places in the hood I'm not going to worry about. Got my top all together, got the glass in it. Get ready to put another coat of paint on the outside before I put it on the car. Got it sort of course I had to make all these by hand. Didn't turn out too bad. There's a protectant on the glass. This is clear, and I'll take that off in the next couple days. But I got all new rubber around inside and out, all new rubber across the front. So it depends on the weather if I can get another coat of paint on it, and then I'll put it on the car and we'll go from there. So that's the update. Thanks for sharing, and I appreciate you following me. Like, share, and subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. Thanks. All right, got it sitting outside here, and got it running. Give you a quick walk around. I'm gonna try to get some help and see if I can get my my top on it. Not permanently, but I'll just do it like a dry fit. But everything's running good. Staying cool. Fuel gauge working. The stereo's working, matter of fact. Bluetooth. I do want to get a new hood. The hood is just so cockeyed, it's just ridiculous. So I'm not going to worry anymore on it. I did get the grill in it. I want to do some adjusting on the grill, but overall not too bad. But just want to give you a little update on it. Looking pretty good for an old car. Once I get it waxed and cleaned up really good, we've got a bunch of pollen falling and all sorts of little leaf things falling on it today. But the car's really running good, nice and smooth, and no complaints. Still, the hood's driving me crazy, but I am going to just replace it eventually, and I've got enough paint to repaint it. It was off of a 68. It was so damaged, so we'll just let it roll the way it is, but at least be able to get out and do some driving with it. Overall, it looks pretty good. Great color. With the white top, I think it'll set it all off really nice. If you want to get some visors, my visors are missing, and I want to get some new visors for that, and a couple other little small things. I've got to get a small hand to put the other sprayer on for the windshield sprayers, and Sally's going to help me with that. And there's a few runs and everything, so it needs to be buffed and wet sanded. But got almost all the lights working. Let's check them while we're here. Lights. Side marker. Front ones aren't working. I don't know why. One headlight's not on either. Little fine tuning. I know where that wire is. I think I hit that when I was putting the hood down this morning. But see the turn signals work. Turn signals. Stand. I'll give you some pictures as soon as I get the top on. I may have to get some help with that thing on. It's just too hard for me to mess with too much. All right, this gives you an idea of with the top on. My neighbor came over and helped me put the top on. I don't have it latched down or anything, so I'm gonna take it back off. I'll be pulling all this stuff off, and the clear plexiglass, this is all clear plexiglass, but it's got a protected film on it they'll have to peel off. But make sure all the windows are working properly. But the car sounds good, looks pretty decent, especially with the hardtop on it. So, going out of town, so looks like a regular British sports car. I love the top, but I'm going to have to eventually get a soft top because I think soft tops are nice to have, especially down here when the weather's nice. So that's my little update. Once I get it all together, I'll be gone next week camping. I will give you an update. Take care. Like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate it.